Hello everyone. Greetings from DreamPath Foundation. DreamPath Foundation is a public charitable trust helping students in the area of careers and life skills. As a part of our career exploration, we will be presenting you with multiple video sessions. These sessions will help you to enhance your knowledge about various careers and education options. This can help you in decision making of career choices and education stream to pursue in future. In this video, we will learn about different study skills which will help you to improve your quality of studies. Study skills are strategies used to improve learning abilities. It helps in enhancing the potential of a person by improving his ability to read. Study skills are essential to select and organize information when overwhelmed with various information. It is a transferable skill. That is, by learning these skills, you can learn better even if you aren't good at it. Additionally, reading to yourself, either loud or soft in your own style, and teaching others will help you remember the material. Studying is necessary to succeed. Study habits are very important. That is, at right time, at right place, under right condition, with adequate preparation to do a quality study with correct positive attitude. Study strategies are different for different subjects. For example, problem solving skill is expected in math, which is not required in language. Same way, grammar rule is not so important in math, but it is important for language. We will see the strategies for the four main streams: science, humanities, mathematics, and language in the following slides. Study strategies for science. When you look at science subjects like physics, biology, zoology, botany, etc., what is expected? Multiple choice questions, true or false, matching, problem solving, etc. So how do you prepare for this? Use concept cards, that is your flashcards to remember and improve your vocabulary. Concept maps, that is your mind map to review the whole lesson. Practice lot of problems, and finally studying with others will help. When you see the humanities subjects like history, literature, politics, fine arts, psychology, sociology, geography, etc., what is expected? Heavy emphasis on writing, compare and contrast, interpret, identify and analyze. So how do you prepare for that? Prepare your timelines to remember the dates. Prepare the question answers. Annotation and reflection, like underline important terms, circle definition and meanings, write keywords and definition in the margin. Mathematics, concepts like algebra, statistics, calculus, trigonometry, integers, etc. Problem solving and comprehension is expected more. So how do we prepare for that? Review and practice daily. Follow the steps. Use concepts card, which will help to remember the words in context. Read text explanations. Practice speed and accuracy. Coming to the languages. Indian languages, Spanish, French, German, etc. So what is expected here? Memorization, grammar rules, vocabulary, sentence construction, and more importantly, the dialogues, listening and speaking. So how do you prepare for this? Practice speaking with classmates. More listening and speaking, more you improve with your language. Use concept cards, that is your flashcards and mind maps, to improve your vocabulary and to recall the concepts. Participate in culture fest and trips. About the study skills. These are types of strategies to study: note taking, mind map, KWL chart. What do you know? What do you want to learn? What you learned. Venn diagram for comparison. Timeline to remember the dates. Time management, memory, and abbreviation. Note taking skills. Some characteristics for these skills are giving the title, heading or labels, specific location for information like pictures, symbols, words, that is a reference book, page number, etc. and short descriptions like bullets, phrases and limited sentences. Learning the art of note-taking will help you to review the subject easily. Note-taking is a skill which can be adapted in any subject and later in your job. Carry a pen and a notepad with you always and note down everything and use them whenever possible. Mind map skills has helped students widely. Mind map is putting information into brain, makes it easier to recall information and used for preparing notes effectively. Mind maps are more compact than conventional notes, often taken up on one side of the paper. This helps to make association easily. The template shown here may help you to start with mind map, and a real sample on topic health is shown for your reference using different colors, shapes, pictures and words. KWL chart. This will help you to learn more about a topic. Before you start the lesson, note down what you know about the topic. And after the lesson is done, note down what you learned. And then get into the middle column what you want to know. This gives you an idea to refer and learn further. Venn diagram. This is used to compare things. And it can be used for almost all subjects. Timeline method is used to illustrate events in chronological order and to remember dates. Extremely important in project management in current jobs, to synchronize tasks and to set deadlines. Time management is a very important goal. Prepare a long-term goal, short-term goal and a daily schedule to get set ready for your exam. After learning everything, it's very important to remember what you studied. So these are some methods to improve your memory. Organize the information, use pictures to improve memory, active studying, frequent reviewing, mnemonic devices. That is a pattern of letters, ideas or association which assist in remembering something. That is mnemonic devices. So example, to remember the 9 planets, my very easy method, just say understood now. So use all the first letters of these words. So you will get 9 planets. Abbreviations. This skill is helpful in note taking. Some ideas. 1. Write the first few letters of the longer words. 2. Write the words leaving the vowels. 3. Write the words first and the last letter of the words. There are some samples given here. Note taking will be faster using this abbreviation method. You have got to study to succeed and hope these study skill strategies will help you. You can receive the grades you want to by taking the time to study and prepare for your classes. Wishing you all the best. Thank you. For more queries, you can reach out to us via Siddhi Helpline 823-952-3455 between 5 to 8 p.m. on weekdays or record your queries anytime. You can visit DreamPath Foundation website for more information. And to know more about our activities, visit DreamPath Foundation Facebook account. Thank you.